Real quick here, guys, this is going to be your honest review of the Beast. This here is the Beast Health Blender, and it comes in a compact blender size. It's 1,000 watts. As you see here, it claims to have smooth blends, leak resistance. It's simple, intelligent, as well as convenient to take on the go. They have a lot of reviews here online on their website stating that it's 5 out of 5 reviews. I don't know if I quite agree with this, and you'll see why. And on their website, it boasts that this blender is solid, ultra durable, it's turbulent, safe, meaning that it doesn't overheat, it's intelligent, it has a blend and pulse action to it, so you can quickly blend and pulse, as it states. And then it's also very powerful for its small stature. All right, and this is just one of the smoothies that we ended up blending. The first third is going to be your liquids, and then you can add in your frozen vegetables or fruits. And that's pineapple, strawberries, some spinach. You can add ice if you like. Make sure not to fill it up past that max line, or it might not blend very well. And you simply press the button and it goes. As you see here, there's nothing really that pleasing except for the way that it looks on your counter. It's aesthetic, and Instagram got me with this. And the convenience and the cuteness of it really made me just want to buy it. So I did, and as you see here, it doesn't blend as well as the other blenders on the market, and that's my bad, but it's a trial and error. I frequently have to add or remove fluids just so I can get the right consistency that I want. And at the very end of it, the little blend, if it's not something as easy to mix like a protein smoothie, for example, then it's pretty much a trial and error, and it's kind of a disappointment at the very end. As you see, when I'm pouring this out into their cute little jar, this is the to-go bottle that they also include in the set. The consistency looks a little bit watery, and I don't prefer it that way. I prefer it to be a kind of like a smoothie. It's still good, but not the best. And here you see we tried utilizing it for some watermelon juice. So nothing other than just watermelon, not even the skin or anything, just the insides itself. And it started to stain as well as overheat the blades. And then the second jar that we had that was part of the system got stuck after it overheated. So we contacted the customer service line, and this is what they sent back to me. They had to end up sending me another one because I responded telling them that it was just way too much work for something that was paid for. I hope this helps, and just reconsider getting a blender. Again, I recommend other ones on the market. Even if it's just a KitchenAid or a Vitamix, that'd be great. Much more efficient than this. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.